Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jinghiar. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Umïam College long ka khot admission ha ki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call ha kini kinambo.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jilla ubakmi yakatanan boarding u Abu Tahir Mondal ha ka khatsan tarik u jemang arajar arpsan ulaong baka Jinghiar jong ka ha Pung Umïam kamdon benta ruem bat ka Jingshna pen bha ya ka Jingkieng dam. Ha ka Jingkran bat kilat patay kubor u Mondal ulaong ba ka Jinghiar ka ha Pung Umïam ka day namar ka Jingduna slab bat ulaong ru ba ka Jingkemi linti ba ka Jingdab jong ka Pung kan sa urlong syen namar ba ka Jinghap slab mentakar lior kala nang beteng.
We need to generate, so we are generating. So there is nothing to panic. We are generating because now keeping the water is no use. So make the hay when it shines. So that way we are thinking that water will come. So we are generating from there. Earlier what happened, we stopped generating because we are managing from some other sources. Let me be very frank and let me tell you, I got many calls, many people were telling me that because of the repair of the dam, the water this year is that much level. No, it is nothing to do with the repair of the dam. The water was there because we timed our generation and we got to see, and as we promised that there will be no load shedding in the lean period, especially the exam seasons, we kept the water there and we did not generate mass power from Umïam because we were managing from some other sources. Due to that, water was there. Now water is reduced. It doesn't mean that some leakage is there and water is shipping out. No, it is because we are started generating, because no point of keeping water at the juncture as monsoon has arrived. That is a normal procedure to alert the people, because we never know with the change of climatic condition, there are chances of sudden cloud burst and flash flood and all these things. So we used to take precautionary measure and notify the area so that people also take precaution.